clean up as you go with silicone glue, because that's what I use, I can't talk about other glues, is the best way to go, because by the time you get to grouting, it should be nothing left to clean. So I do it as I go. This has been 12 hours of this particular silicone, and I like it because it's creamy and dead easy to use. Now here are the tools. Not something that can cut a bit, but always be careful because you don't want to cut through this. This is really easy to cut through or poke holes in, and once you've glued, you don't want to be doing that. A pick that's got this pick here and this pick here, and they are really good for pulling things out, and we'll see that, but also do the cutting, and they can make things quite easy. And then a little scraper. So one of these is great. So it's got a square end and a angled end. So depending on what you need to do. So because this is a transparent stained glass, I put a lot of glue on here because I don't want grout bleed. This is how you avoid grout bleed. Glue all the way to the edges and on the inside, because I don't want to see this board through my glass. Really important. First rule of GOG. So on here I've got the edge, so I'm going to use my cutter to do the edge. So right next to the glass. How easy is this? You'll go, oh my God, I've been trying to clean up while it was wet and horrible, and just about stuck myself to the board. So that's clean. Pretty cool, eh? The other thing this can do is actually cut, because of where this is at. Sometimes it's 12 hours, sometimes it's 24. Is to just scooch it along there, and it's enough to just cut that particular bit of silicone. And then you can just get one of these scrapers. You're going to say, oh my God, this is so easy. Why haven't I done this before? That's pretty done. I hope you're laughing hysterically to yourself. There's a little bit I can scrape off. So like I say, this is 12 hours, and it'll be very similar when it's like 24 hours. So it's like, oh my God, I need to set the timer about. Then you get, because like I say, this and this and this and this, transparent, which means you can see straight through it. Not designed for mosaics, it's designed for windows. But we love the colours. White glue behind, so you always get a really good colour. Some people paint their boards. I like the glue. So here, there's insufficient room for the grout, so I do need to clean that out, and this one here. So you can, depending on your glue, is just slice it through the side with this. This is where your double pick comes in handy, without going into the board. Remember, this is soft. On wood, not quite so delicate. And then you just pick it out. Requires, a little more effort here, but you can see how easily that comes out. And now there's stacks of room for the grout. Like I say, I've always been an excess glue user, but I'm not wanting any. Oh, there's a bubble there, which is a bit darker, but that's okay. This glass has bubbles in it. And it doesn't have to be pristine. It just has to be sufficient room for your grout. So the grout I use likes 2 mil. I'm going to do a little bit of a cut here, very gently. It might help if my pick wasn't quite so straight. A new pick always works better. And of course the other thing you want to be careful of is not to pull the glue out from underneath here, because then you'll be in grout bleed land. So plenty of room now for the grout. You can see I've got a little bit of hanging up here. I'll just get a little blade here. I'm running it across the glass, so I'm not running it on the foam. If I do it on the foam, then it's going to cut the phone, and I'll gouge a big hole in it. All clean, because I'm going to be tiling around here, and the tile hopefully will get just above that bit of glue line. So I'll go through and clean the whole thing. You want to see a bit more? This is my favourite activity. I love cleaning. And since I've worked much cleaner than I used to, I don't get to do a lot of it anymore. It's one of those things. It's one of my Zen things. So here I'm just going to scooch it along there. I hope you go, oh my God. Now I'm using the angled one. Get in there beside it. Push it along. And go, oh wow. Why am I trying to get it off while it's still wet? When you're on your glass, of course. Let's scooch on over here to this bit of glass. Let's see, this bit of glass, there's a bit of dried glue on there. You can just scrape it off with this. And there's no fear of scratching it, because this doesn't scratch. And then get, baby wipes are great. We'll see, I've got some here. It may or may not come off with the grout, but I'd rather not have white globs of glue in my grout when I grout. So just give every piece that you've done a bit of a check, depending on what you're doing, of course, and within reason. This is extreme because it is transparent glass, so I need to be more fussy. Not so much on the mirror. That just gets a blob down the middle and stuck on. And then a nice little baby wipe, and you've got a lovely shiny bit of beautiful red glass. Easy peas.